Let vector P and vector Q can be added together as shown in figure small a. Two vectors OA and OB represent magnitude and directions, vector P and Q respectively as shown in figure small b. Complete the parallelogram OACB, then the diagonal OC represent magnitude and direction of the resultant vectors R. This is the resultant vector R. From these equations, R equal to P plus Q. From these equations, we can give statement of this law. Write down statement of this law. If two vectors represents its magnitude and directions by two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then their resultant vector represents its magnitude and direction by the diagonal drawn from the common point, by the diagonal drawn from the common point to O point. This is the statement of this law, parallelogram methods. If two vectors represent its magnitude and directions by two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then their resultant vectors represent its magnitude and direction by diagonal drawn from the common point. This is the statement of this law. The parallelogram methods can be equivalent with the law of triangle methods. The parallelogram methods can be equivalent with law of triangle methods. Okay. How is equivalent with this law? In figure B, in figure small b, I mean this is the small a figure and this is the small b figure. In small figure B, length of OA, AC and OB. In figure B, sides of AC and OB are equal or parallel. Okay, so that AC equal to OB equal to AC side equal to OB side equal to Q. This side and this side equal or parallel with the Q. Okay. From triangle OBC, OB equal to OA plus AB. What is the value of the OB? R, resultant side. What is the value of OA, its magnitude and direction is P, plus AB is the Q. Okay. AB equal to R equal to P plus Q. This is the according to the law of triangle methods and law of parallelogram methods are equivalent. Thus, both methods are equivalent. Thus, both methods are equivalent. Okay. Now, find the magnitude and directions. Find the magnitude of the resultant. First, R equal to under root of P square plus Q square plus twice P2 cos theta. Okay, and then their directions, tan alpha equal to Q sin theta upon P plus Q cos of theta. Therefore, theta equal to tan inverse Q sin theta upon P plus Q cos of theta. Now find both relations, R equal to and alpha equal to. Okay, see first resultant of the R, magnitude of the R. Find magnitude of the resultant R. How to find this magnitude? First of all, consider two vectors. Draw this diagram first. O, A, C, O, A, D, and B, and this is the diagonal R. Okay, draw perpendicular OD, OA produce vector P, vector Q, and R is the resultant vector. Theta, angle of theta between P and Q, and angle of alpha in between P and R. Okay, so first of all, derivations of this, explain of this diagram. Consider two vector P and Q. Consider two vector P and vector Q represents magnitude and direction of two sides of the parallelogram. Okay. Consider two vector P and Q are inclined to each other, at an angle theta, as shown in figure. Okay. By two adjacent sides of the parallelogram as shown in figure. The diagonal OC represents its magnitude and directions by the resultant vector R. Okay. Making an angle alpha and angle alpha. I mean this alpha. Angle between P and R is the alpha. Angle between P and Q is the theta. Okay. Draw CD perpendicular OA produce. Draw CD perpendicular OA produce. Okay. From triangle OCD. From triangle OCD. I mean this triangle O, C and D. Therefore OC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Okay. OC square equal to OD square. OD square plus CD square. That is equal to OA plus AD bracket square plus CD square. Okay. This side and this side. This is the OA and AD bracket square plus CD square. There, that is equal to. Now you can use this formula A plus B bracket square and find the next equations. Okay. OA square plus twice OA into AD twice OA into AD, OA square, A square plus B square twice A, according to this mathematical formula. OA square plus twice OA into AD plus AD square plus AD square plus CD square as it is. Okay. That is equal to OA square, write as it is, plus AD square plus CD square. In first bracket, AD square plus CD square in the bracket plus twice OA into AD. From triangle ACD, I mean this triangle, small triangle ACD. From triangle ACD, AD square minus CD square equal to AD square plus CD square, plus, right here plus, AD square plus CD square equal to AC square, isn't it? And AD upon AC equal to cos theta, and AD upon AC equal to cos of theta. Therefore, AD equal to AC cos of theta. Putting this value in above equations, means these equations, I can rub statement right here, these derivations. Okay. OC square equal to, putting this value of the AD, OA square plus AD plus CD square equal to AC square. Right here 2OA into twice 2OA into, instead of AD equal to AC cos theta, AC cos of theta plus AC square. That is equal to, O is the P square, this is the R square, p square plus twice p, this is the cube, cos of theta plus q square, cd square plus q square. This side equal to this side, so q square. Okay. Therefore, r equal to under root of p square plus twice p cube cos of theta plus q square. This is the required equation for, this is the required equation for magnitude of their resultant R. Magnitude of their resultant R. Now second, direction of the resultant R. How will you find the direction of the resultant R? Equation first. Now next is to find the direction of the resultant R. From triangle OCD. This is the triangle OC and D. From triangle OCD, tan alpha equal to OD upon CD upon OD. CD upon OD equal to CD upon OD equal to CD upon OL plus AD. That is equal to CD is the this, okay, AD. CD upon OA plus AD. But from ACD, from triangle ACD, okay, from triangle ACD, AD equal to AC cos theta, AC cos of theta, and CD equal to AC sin of theta, CD equal to AC sin of theta, and AD equal to AC cos of theta. Therefore, tan alpha equal to, now use these equations, tan alpha equal to CD AC sin of theta upon OA plus AD. Instead of AD, you can put this value AC cos of theta. Okay, that is equal to Q sin of theta upon P plus Q cos of theta. Tan alpha equal to. Therefore, alpha equal to tan inverse Q sin theta upon P plus Q cos of theta. This is the required equation. This is the required equation for direction of resultant R. Okay, of resultant R. These two articles stop here.